Active isolated stretching was created by world-renowned kinesiologist Aaron L. Mattis. The sequence of stretches using active isolated stretching is meant to teach the baseball player how to effectively stretch out their body and prepare them for activity. The stretches will take you from the upper body, starting with the neck, down through the shoulders, then to the legs, and ultimately to the feet. The video will teach you how to stretch the muscles that are being used in your sport. The exercises that we have chosen were done after many years of working with athletes from the amateur, collegiate, to professional levels. Baseball is a power sport, and the better the flexibility of the player, the more power they will potentially be able to exert through competition. You will see in the video that you are using one muscle group, doing the active movement, to help stretch the opposite side muscle group while only holding the stretch for 1.5 to 2 seconds. You will only want to use 3 to 4 ounces of assistance by either the opposite hand or a stretched rope. The video will take you from one stretch to another, allowing you to work along with the model. If you have any more questions on the theory or uses of AIS, please visit our website at www.stretchingusa.com. Now please enjoy this video and get flexible.